Yes, my people. Where we look on right here, so is a socket. Where you plug in your thing, And we look on this from a barn turn away. I said the turn. I don't remember. But long time we look on it that way. Alright. You don't have to travel for know so this thing turn the wrong way. Many things are plugging that way just to say, yo, it just turned wrong. But now the government can't say it turn wrong, so them keep, you can't pass anything. Look at that. You have two antenna then turn sideways. Is that wrong? You know, what if it turns so? These people necessarily modern days now and things need to turn. Back in the days they just plug in one TV or one fan or something like that and that's it. Then I approve your house if you approve your house if it turn, if that socket turn up the right way. Look on it. When you look on it, just say if it turn up. My thing would be like this, if it turn the right way. But no, Jamaican want to turn that way there. Because I guess them like how it look that way. The people, things not change. You know, I work for things in Jamaica need to change. And some people don't say that not important, this not important. But all of these things need to change. You know, if me personally feel like you clap them in the square, them need to take out and put some statue or some, put up some heroes. Put up nanny. Put up another hero in another town instead of the clock. And in England this clock now work anywhere. I mean, I need to see no time off on a clock. We have a phone. But, as I say, a long time I look upon this and it's just wrong. You know? Another thing, you can't have a plug. You're not supposed to have a plug. I don't know if them change that. You're not supposed to have a plug, a socket in your bathroom. Which part you're supposed to shave. That's where your mirror is. You shave over your dresser. And leave the ear them all on your dresser. So you have expensive perfume and cologne. You shave over the sink so you can rinse it out. You're not supposed to have a plug. Alright. In a first world country, oh, some people say third world is third world. Everything now was a first world. So, in a first world country, pick me, kids go in a bathroom. Everybody go in a bathroom. And there's a plug inside of the bathroom. So for those who don't know, you know now. Every plug in every bathroom in the first world country have a plug in it. So why we can't have one? When them travel overseas and them see it. Who to tell them might have one not for them bathroom at town. But we shouldn't have one. They not pass the house if I do it. Alright? So if you feel like you want to turn this the other way, and the person come if you pass your house, him not pass it because they not turn the lean way. They can't say the right way. So people may just want to touch upon it. Just want to touch upon it. You know. A lot of changes need to go on, but it not go on. So that's what I always say, my people. Be blessed. One God.